While garages are great for the obvious purpose of stowing cars away safely, they can also be used as an extra office, workshop, and so much more. If you spend a lot of time in your garage, chances are you've experienced a time where it was unbearably hot or muggy in there. There are many products available to choose garage air conditioners, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best garage air conditioners from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Winter Dual Hose Portable Air Conditioner. This AC features the ability to dehumidify and fan, which means your garage will stay at a level that's never too dry, nor too humid. If you are looking for a more robust, powerful AC unit, then this is an excellent option. Earning awards from both Good Housekeeping and Consumer Reports, it's not just us who was impressed by the ARC 14 seconds performance. If you're searching for a portable AC that's capable of cooling up to a 500 square foot space, this one should be one of your top choices. This is a sleek modern AC that features a style which almost looks like a throwback to vintage models with the platinum and black colorway. At the top front of the unit, you'll see a nicely sized blue LCD screen with all user controls. You can also control everything with the included remote control, for added convenience. With a dehumidifying capacity of up to 71 pints per day, it's perfect for more humid climates. The eco-friendly, CFC-free Green R32 refrigerant is a much more feasible option if you're looking for an air conditioner that is healthier for our planet and your family's well-being. The auto-drain technology also uses and recycles moisture which is gathered while in use. Number 2. HomeLabs 14,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner. HomeLabs is one of those brands that are forward-thinking and visually eye-catching. Their 10,000 BTU portable air conditioner comes in a very unique all-white design that doesn't mess around with bulkiness or unnecessary extras. If you're on the hunt for the best portable AC for garage use, you have to give this one a serious look. The portable AC is very compact and lightweight, including wheels that make it a breeze to move around wherever you need it. All you have to do is attach the hose and window slide adapter, plug in the power supply, and you're ready for liftoff. One of our favorite features was undoubtedly the horizontal auto swing feature. Once you turn it on, the air outlet door opens up all the way. Simply press the swing button and it will start moving from side to side. This is great for more even air distribution, as well as making sure it doesn't dry any one spot out. This quiet air conditioner is perfect if you need to use it while sleeping or focusing on something that requires a lot of attention. The full-feature remote control comes included and lets you change the AC settings to your liking without getting out of bed or off your seat. Number 3. Black Plus Decker Portable Air Conditioner. Black Plus Decker is definitely a household name recognized for creating high-quality, user-friendly appliances. Their BPAC T12WT portable air conditioner is exemplary of that, offering good looks, easy use, and efficient operation. Much like our last model, this one also features a nice balance of power and quiet functioning. With a 12,000 BTU capacity, you can count on being cool and dry, even during the muggiest seasons. This one is perfect for significantly smaller garages, as it's made to cool spaces up to 150 square feet. If you're someone who also needs a cooler for your RV or bedroom, it's very effective. Installation is required with this model, though isn't all that difficult. In fact, it'll very likely take you less than 30 minutes to have it up and running. Much like the others, you have the same 3 modes: cool, fan, and dehumidifying. All focus on energy efficiency, and along with a 24-hour timer you can make sure it turns off and on exactly when you need it to. Number 4. Hessair MC37M Portable Evaporative Cooler. The Hessair MC37M Portable Evaporative Cooler is certainly a unique one in terms of looks and power. The all-grey color scheme looks industrial yet simultaneously modern and trendy. While the Hessair is not an actual air conditioner, it uses evaporative cooling instead, but it definitely packs a punch with its ability to cool up to 950 square feet. Due to its supercharged cooling capabilities, you can expect it to be a bit less portable. This one weighs 39 pounds, so it's more well suited towards stationary or semi-stationary garage use. However, it does come with 4 tough, locking caster wheels, if you'd like to roll it around anywhere. With 3 fan speeds and oscillating louvers, you can expect cool and conditioned air to be distributed evenly, with wide coverage. You get manual and continuous fill options here, simply by hooking up a household hose with the included float adapter. This means you never have to hassle with watching and filling up the water tank. Number 5. Shinko 12,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioners. The best portable air conditioner for garage use is undoubtedly the one that's lightweight, powerful, and easy to use. The Shinko 12,000 BTU portable air conditioner definitely fits the bill, with its handy dehumidifier and fan function, and so much more. The all-white design is basic and comes with a user-friendly LED display for quick and seamless operation. Ideal for spaces of up to 400 square feet, this model is nice for bigger garages and rooms. Most of us have experienced those sluggish AC units that take forever to cool a room after you turn it on. You don't have to melt waiting around, this unit cools quickly. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.